Here's a quick look to show how to get the Life Online learning objects out of the Minnesota Learning Commons. When you go to the Minnesota Learning Commons, you can do a search for Life Online, and this will take you immediately to the different materials. Now there's several different materials that you'll see up here. The main one that you want with just the framework is this course framework. And if you click on more details and scroll down, you'll see the different pieces that are available in this section. If you go to Life Online, the framework, and click one time, you can see the name of it here is Online Module Graphic.zip. So click on this, and you want to select Save. Now this will change depending upon which browser you're using. This is Internet Explorer 9. And you can see it's downloading here. We'll click on Windows Explorer, and that opens up our view into your hard drive space, and then look for your downloads. And you can see here our file came in, Life Online Module Graphic Zip. Now in Windows, you right mouse click on this and you say Extract All. And you can browse if you want to put it into a different place, but I usually just have it go in the same folders. I uncheck this box, Show Extracted Files When Complete. Now a zipped file is like a balled up piece of aluminum foil, all crunched up really tiny and small, so it can be transmitted across the web. And what you're doing in this step is you're smoothing out that ball of aluminum foil so it's a nice open file again. This is how we transmit lots of files and collections of things across the web. So we're uncompressing the zip file. And you can see up here this icon with a zipper on it. That's the zip file. And then what we're creating right now is this plain folder without the zipper on it, and that's where our files are. And if we click on that folder, that's our new folder, you can see all the different files. Now this Mac OS X, this is a leftover file from the Macintosh where I created these. You can go into each of these folders, and these are all self-contained. You go into each of these folders, and the main home page is the index page. So let's just go in the index page and look at it. And then this is what you could put up in your class, in your course. Now the highlighted yellow pieces are just to highlight a change that you may want to make before you publish it in your course. And then these are all the files that are used by index.html. There's also, in each module, there's a text file for the quizzes. I'm going to open up this in a text editor. And this is just a plain text file with a basic format, so you can have questions. And again, you'll have to modify these based on which type of learning management system you're using, either Moodle, D2L, or Blackboard. In another video, I'll show you how to take these different modules, depending upon which one you want, and bring them into your D2L or your Moodle courses.